How to link your bank account to Cash App. So you want to link your bank account to Cash App so you can easily send or withdraw money. Here's how to do it. Open Cash App, tap your profile icon in the top right corner, then scroll down and select Link Banks. Here you'll see your debit or credit cards if you've already added any, and an option to link bank. Tap that, and Cash App will connect through Plate, a secure service used by most finance apps. Tap Continue, then choose your bank from the list or search for it if it's not shown. For example, if you bank with Chase, tap Chase, log in using your online banking credentials, and confirm the connection. You'll see a message asking to share your account data with Cash App through Plaid tab. Next, choose the specific bank account you want to link and tap Connect My Account. Once verified, you'll be redirected back to Cash App, where it will confirm bank account linked successfully. Tap Done. And that's it. Your bank is now linked, and you can instantly add or withdraw money anytime from your Cash App account.